What's the meaning of bare-knuckled? Bare-knuckled. Bare-knuckled.
Bare-knuckled. Bare-knuckled. The term bare-knuckled refers to a brutal or raw approach to a situation, activity, or competition. Historically, bare-knuckle boxing was a form of fighting where the fighters wore no gloves, and the fights were often bloody and violent. Today, the term has evolved to encompass any activity that is undertaken with a fierce, unyielding attitude, without regard for rules or fair play. For example, a bare-knuckled negotiation would refer to a deal-making process that is aggressive, intense, and focused solely on achieving one's own interests. The term is often used in a negative context, suggesting a lack of civility or respect for others.